Hello and welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to see how we can control the size of your recycle bin to manage your deleted file. So if you are wondering like how we can manage the recycle bin capacity, then this video is for you. So follow the simple steps. If you are not able to view your desktop icon, do a right click on your desktop, go to view setting and then press your show desktop icon. This will show your recycle bin on your desktop. Now do a right click on recycle bin icon, then go to properties and here choose your drive for which you want to manage your recycle bin size. Currently I am looking for my C drive. Select your C drive and here under custom size you can give your maximum size in MBs. Like currently it is 1024. I want to increase it to 1024 size. Once applied, then click on apply button and then click on OK button. And now your recycle bin size have been increased 10 times. Another way to manage your recycle bin capacity is by going through group policy editor. To do that, launch your start menu, type here GP edit. Under best match, you will see this group policy editor. Click here, select user configuration, double click on this administrative templates, double click on this Windows component, and then navigate down to File Explorer. Double click here. On settings, just click once to sort it alphabetically. And now look for maximum allowed recycle bin size, which is here. Double click here. And by keeping this enabled, like if this is not configured, you can choose enabled. And here you can give any value ranging from 0% to 100% of your hard disk size. Currently it is 10. I want to make it 20. Once you have applied the maximum recycle bin size here, hit apply and then click OK. In this way, you can manage your recycle bin size from group policy editor. I hope you find this video very useful. Till next video, see you then, take care and bye bye.